Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best DJI cameras in 2026. Perfect picks for filmmakers, vloggers, travelers, and YouTubers. From action cameras to 360-degree shooters to pocket vlogging rigs, we've got something for every creator. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 4 Essential Combo. 4K video at up to 120 FPS, waterproof action camera, large 1.13-inch sensor, 10-bit color and D-Log M for richer footage, up to 160 minutes of battery life. Essential Combo includes accessories for outdoor shooting. First up is the Osmo Action 4 Essential Combo, DJI's rugged, high-performance action camera. This camera handles everything from surf trips to mountain biking without a sweat. With 4K 120 FPS and a larger sensor, footage looks clean and detailed even in low light. The color science with 10-bit and D-Log M means you get more flexibility when editing. Pros: excellent image quality in all lighting. Long battery life for extended shooting. Waterproof and durable. Great slow motion and color depth. This is an ideal camera if you capture outdoor adventures or action-packed footage. Number 2. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. 1-inch CMOS sensor. 4K 120 FPS. 3-axis stabilization for buttery smooth footage. Face and object tracking. Mic included for clear sound. Next is the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This is one of the most capable pocket cameras for vloggers and content creators. The 1-inch sensor delivers amazing detail, and the built-in 3-axis gimbal keeps your shots rock steady, even while walking. The Creator Combo includes a better mic setup so your audio matches the video quality. Pros: superb stabilization. Great image quality for the size. Ready-to-shoot combo out of the box. Excellent for story-style vlogs. This is perfect if you want a compact, all-in-one vlogging camera with pro video quality. Number 3. DJI Osmo 360 Camera Standard Combo. Native 8K 360-degree video recording. Waterproof design. 1-inch 360-degree imaging system. 105 gigabytes built-in storage, 120 megapixel 360-degree photo capture, approx 100-minute 8K recording. If you want next-level immersive footage, the DJI Osmo 360 camera delivers. With 8K resolution, you can capture ultra-wide spherical video that's perfect for creative projects, VR, and immersive travel shots. 360 filming gives you total flexibility in post. Reframe your shots anywhere inside the frame. Pros: ultra-high resolution 360 video, immersive content opportunities, huge internal storage, great for travel and creative shooting. This is the camera to grab if you want immersive content or 360 adventure footage. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K 120 FPS, 3-axis stabilization for fast focusing, face and object tracking, designed for vlogging. Here's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a slightly more streamlined version than the Creator Combo. It keeps all the core features you want: big sensor, smooth gimbal, face and object tracking, and high frame rate recording, making this a great daily driver for vloggers. It's lightweight and feels natural in your hand when shooting walkthroughs or talking to camera. Pros: incredible stabilization, great video quality for vlogging, fast and responsive focus, easy to use on the go. If you want a daily vlogging camera that's simple and powerful, this is a top choice. So, that's our roundup of the top DJI cameras for content creators in 2026. If you want rugged action and outdoor performance, the Osmo Action 4 is your go-to. For compact vlogging, the Osmo Pocket 3 and Creator Combo strike the perfect balance of size and quality.
The Osmo 360 opens up creative possibilities with immersive 8K spherical footage. Drop a comment and let me know which one you'd pick for your channel or adventures. Hit like if you found the video helpful and subscribe for more gear reviews coming next.